Don't be scared to put more on there. There we go. Let's give you a little more in there, because this is an important coat. This is sealing the wood. Got it coated real good.
I think so.
All right, let's turn it over now. Now turn those over. And then we'll put it like this.
And we gotta use the other rag
Yes, sir. All right. Where'd the other rag go?
on the other side.
All right, let me hand it to you here. There we go. Gotta give you some more stuff in there. There you go.
Okay,
All right, how's it look to you?
good.